Hello everyone, my name is Basir and welcome to Canada Driving Experts. Today I want to take you to route number 1 and also route number 2 full G test at Etobicoke location. I already recorded in 2025 the same route, but today I want to record you again with some better tips and also better quality to see all around with the new camera. So when he's asking you to the left or take left, shift the gear to drive, signal left, check all around, 360-degree rear view mirror all around, and turn to the left. If you see someone is moving, wait. Here is three-way stop, first come first serve, but one way doesn't have a stop sign. The upcoming traffic, check left, right, left again, and move. Once you cross this small intersection, then you need to check rear view mirror, side mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. So here you need to come to the complete stop. Don't block pedestrian way. Regularly check your left and right. When you see no car is coming from the left, go to the first right lane. So once you come here, push the gas. So from far you need to check pedestrian light. If pedestrian light is white, the pedestrian light, so you need to check it. Check left, right. This is Eglinton Avenue. The speed limit in Eglinton Avenue is 60. So regularly check your speed. Basically in Eglinton Avenue, the examiner is not talking with you. So they are checking you are driving. Do you check regularly left, right, rear view mirror or not? So check left, right, and control your speed. So my speed is 50 because other car which is in front of me, they are also 50. So I cannot increase my speed, and also I need to be careful of the gap. Check left, right, left again, and cross the intersection. He is not asking lane change in this way in the Eglinton Avenue. Sometimes they are asking, not all the time. So if he's asking, do that, otherwise continue on the same lane on the right side. I will not do lane change in this Eglinton Avenue while going. While coming, I will do lane change. So from far, check the traffic light. It is amber, so I need to stop. So check rear view mirror and then slowly brake until completely stop. Yeah. While stopping, check left, right. Pedestrian lights are helping you a lot. I can see 14, 60, 14, 13, 10. So you know after how many seconds you can go. In the intersection, check left, right, rear view mirror. Just show to the examiner that you are aware and you are checking the intersection. So now no one is in front of me. I need to increase my speed. Speed limit in Eglinton Avenue is 60. I need to go 55 plus. It means 56, 57, 58, 59 is good speed. Don't go 60, 60. If you go 60, 60, sometimes you will increase your speed. So pedestrian light, I can check from far. Once I get closer, check left, right, left again. Check regularly left and right. Once you approach here in route number 1, they are taking you to the right, and route number 2, they are taking you to the left. So rear view mirror, side mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and slowly come from the beginning. My light is red. I need to come to the now it is green. It is green, but still pedestrian is crossing. The bike is crossing. I need to wait here until he is completely crossing. So check blind spot and turn. So once you turn, the speed here is 40. Don't exceed the speed, because there is a school here. They have zero tolerance if you go over 40. Here is overcross, and the overcross, you guys know we cannot do lane change. Check your speed regularly. Here is a downhill a little bit. Check left, right, and overcross. So once you approach here, he's asking you lane change to the left. So rear view mirror, side mirror, signal, wait for a few seconds, blind spot, and smoothly change to the left. Any street is coming, check that. Move your head toward that. So once you approach here, he's asking you traffic light, left turn, rear view mirror, side view mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. So I can see the pedestrian light is 10, 9, 7, 8, only me. I'm here, I can go. Okay, 4, 3, check pedestrian and turn to the left. Here is a high school. During the school time, a lot of youths are here and they are going to the plaza, so be careful about them. So always stop. We need to check rear view mirror and apply the brake. Check who comes first, who comes second. So I came first, check left, right, but that guy was slow. He went before me. Speed is 40 here. You can go 37, 38, 39. So whenever you are boarding other people's line, you need to signal. So another car is coming, I slow down a little bit. Another car also slow down. Check left, right. Any street is coming, check. And also check your speed. Check. Any street is coming, check. So once you approach here, then he is asking you, we are joining 427 south. So while joining 427, you are joining and you need to do another lane change because both line is ending. Okay, so once you approach here and turn, just check the rear view mirror, side mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and push the gas to the end. And regularly check your speed. Now my speed is 89, 90, 93, 96. Check blind spot and smoothly move to the left, turn off signal, and continue. Then once you see this sign, check the mirror, left signal, blind spot to the left, and smoothly lane change to the left. Keep your speed. Don't change your lane when your speed is slow. So basically, when no one is there, you need to increase your speed. Sometimes they are asking lane change to the left and come back to the right. Most of them they are not asking. If they are asking, it is easy. Mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and smoothly change. Once you come here, then he is asking lane change. Come back to the right, rear view, side view, right side mirror, blind spot to the right, and exit. Once you exit, signal and also check the mirror. Don't lose your speed. Once you approach here in V-shape, turn off signal and also slowly apply the brake. Stay and at the middle line. So once you approach here, check rear view mirror, signal to the left. While stopping, you must have enough gap, at least see the two tires in a little bit fall. So here I'm going from second lane to second lane, but keep in mind, once I turn, I need to switch my lane to the right, and he's asking that. Second lane to second lane. Now mirror, side mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, smoothly change one, turn off signal, again mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and turn to the right. Once you approach to the V-shape, turn off your signal. Speed is 40, but you can go 41, 45, as much as you can control very well. But basically we cannot go so fast because it is curvy. So from here you can see the traffic flow. It is not bad, it's good, but I have another car in front of me. I need to join based on their speed. Rear view mirror, side view mirror, signal, blind spot, and push the gas. While joining, check blind spot and check your speed. I join in a speed of 83. So I cannot join a speed of 100 because another car was in front of me. And it is so short, short acceleration lane. Just keep distance with the front car. Now my speed is 80 because the front car, they are also not 100. Now it is increasing, 90, 91. Check left, right. Then he is asking lane change to the left. Rear view mirror, side mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and smoothly change to the left. While changing lane, you need to just focus on front. So again, he is asking lane change to the left and come back to the right. I am doing rear view, side view, signal, blind spot to the left. My speed is 98. Turn off signal, four wheel completely come. Now I'm again switching back to the right. Rear view, side view, signal, blind spot. The car is coming. They are on the other lane, but I need to make sure. Now it is safe for me to do the lane change. I'm doing the lane change. Once four wheel completely come to the new line, you need to turn off your signal. Don't lose your speed. My speed is 95 based on the other car. So I need to check rear view mirror, side view, signal, blind spot to the right. From this broken lane, I need to go. Don't lose your speed, and your signal should turn on until this Eglinton Avenue West, and turn off your signal. Then push slowly the brake. So here, once you approach, check the rear view, side view, signal, blind spot from the beginning. Come to the right. If my light is red, I need to come to the complete stop. Then your signal, if your signal turn off, you need to signal on back. This guy stop here and they don't know what to do. I need to honk it a little bit. Yeah. He stopped in the red light. If you stop in the red light and didn't continue, you're gonna fail. So another car is coming from this side. I need to wait. So check again and turn to the right. Once you turn, the speed is 60. So try to go 55 plus. Just check left, right, continue, just check your speed. Basically, once you turn, examiner will not talk with you. Just probably one time he's asking lane change to the left, but basically he is not asking. Just continue on your driving and check left, right. So pedestrian light is 7, 6. I can cross, check left, right. So now my light is red. I need to move my head toward the rear view mirror. Just show them that you are checking while pushing. Check left, right, check pedestrian. Five second, 4 second. Now Probably the left turn they're gonna start. After that, then I can. So prepare. Yes, check. A motorbike is in driving on my back side, so I need to be careful. Probably sometimes they are trying to just pass from the side. So check left, right. Yeah. So pedestrian light I checked, and left, right, rear view mirror. Check the mirrors. For pedestrian light I checked, left, right. I'm also checking my speed regularly. Check. You need to check frequently that every 5-second rear view mirror. So I need to slow down a little bit, but the pedestrian light I checked, it is white, I can go. Check left, right. Once you approach here, he is asking lane change to the left, rear view mirror, side mirror, left side mirror signal, blind spot to the left, and smoothly change to the left. 4-wheel completely come, turn off your signal. Check. So I can see pedestrian light, it is the seconds are counting, but my speed is good, I can cross. But check left, right. Once you cross the traffic light, then he's asking go to the plaza. So I need to check rear view mirror, side mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. So here also be careful about the pedestrian, about the upcoming traffic. Once it is safe, then you can turn, otherwise you cannot. I need to wait for that car, and also here should be clear, then I can go. That car is far, I can turn to the left. Remember, here is very important, you don't have any stop sign here. You don't need to stop any cars from this three side, they must stop for you. He's asking park on the left side, so once I cross here, I will park on the left side. Mirror signal, blind spot, and I will go stop here. Once you stop here, shift the gear to park. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to support me.